Excitement is growing. Here's a go for a four-bagger. That left something to be desired. Pins 2 and 4 to pick up. Got pin 4. Continuing from a strike on last frame. I hope we'll see a Barney rubber. The 5th pin and 9er must be dealt with now. Cleaned up on that one well. A pity. A killer shot is needed to clean up a dime store. Delicious split conversion. Fence posts to clean up. Got the 10th pin. Almost. Pin 10, waiting at the deck. Herky cleared that one. Get triple points. Here's a shot for the 3-bagger. Continuing with a dime store. Got the 5th pin. Whoa, killer shot. Let's just say that left room for improvement. A dime store to convert. Swing! Strike! Trying to repeat the strike from last frame. A double would make this place go crazy. Pins 5, 8, and 10, waiting at the deck. That's it. Yeah! So close. That was less than perfect. Trying to smack down pin 10. Sumptuous pickup. Hard-earned strike. Will this be the start for a streak? A double attempt is on. Got pins 2, 4, 7, and 8. That was bad. Sad. Leave to pick up. Got pins 6, 9, and 10. This player is becoming my idol. As you can see, it's not easy. Let's see how the second throw goes. Continuing after awesome strike. I hope we'll see a rhino. You hear that? The engine is running. Here's a serious attempt for a turkey. A pleasing three-bagger. The engine is running. A ham bone is the goal for this throw. Oh, so close. This is what makes watching bowling so exciting. Got pins 4, 7, and 8. Stinky. Leave to convert. Yummy. Clean up. Pins are getting a beating. Everyone wants to see a three-bagger. Continuing with the 6th pin. Clean up. Going strong with a strike.